go, squiddly. We've got clear sky with half a moon. And guess what? It's day 220 of the tree, and it's still standing despite all the storms we've had this last week. The woodpecker's still pecking away. It's getting wobbly when it's windy, but it's still up. So tree watch is still going. Squirrels are still going, despite the foxes. I say foxes, there's 2 of them now, which I will post same time as I post this, actually, tomorrow. So Akira has a mate or friend or something who's a little bit bigger than her. We'll post them tomorrow. Hey Squiddly, looking chunky.